So guys, we're back with another video. I did the last video and I got, a little idiot. If you guys want to see the secret scene of what happened and why I couldn't upload that, like and subscribe. See you guys. You guys, it's recording, so my sister is being an idiot. She won't even. It's crooked. I can't be around her, but my sister's run away from me. She says, "Oh, I'm gonna go hang out here. Don't record when she's around." I'm like, I want to record. Zoe doesn't understand that. I want to record. Okay, I think it's good enough. You guys can get the full. Okay, guys, I'm just riding my bike if you can't see. Just riding around, having fun. So boring. Here's the one that's really cold. Guys, I'm just going to the park. If you guys want the secret clip, subscribe will be over my video. Oh, my feet. Guys, it's so cold outside right now. I have these on, look. How cold it is. I didn't have gloves. And it's like still winter. Fuck. If you guys want the secret clip, I might be able to podcast it in a video. Podcast. I'm not allowed to be on clip. Back up, Haley. Back up, Haley. You're not allowed on my scenes. Haley. Haley, you're not allowed on YouTube. Haley, back up from me because I can't have you on YouTube. Yep. Well, you can't be around me because of my YouTube career. You can't be around me because of YouTube. So you have to back up so I don't catch you on YouTube. So then I don't get sued by your mom and dad and your sister. If you guys want the extra scenes, like and subscribe. Okay, guys. Back up, Haley. I can't have you on YouTube. Stay out of my son. I hate sweat shoes. It's too cold to be wearing these. Guys, I'm gonna have to get to my house. Switch shoes so I don't get. You don't get my bike. No, you're not having it, Haley. You're not using it, it's mine. I got it. Anyway, guys.
All right, you ready?
Yes. It's sugar.
I like sugar. I know sugar.
Well, she don't know you.
It's Opal's sister.
Yes.
I know Opal because she's in my class.
And I know Opal
Because she's in your class.
yeah. And I talk to her almost every day.
And I sit next to her at breakfast and lunch.
And I'm on her bus.
I'm Opal's bus. Don't know.
Back up, Haley, because I can't have you on YouTube. Because of... Anyway, guys, I just got back. I had not all set up. It's really cold outside. I know. Hey guys, I'm just riding it. Like, I started recording. But anyway, I'm just riding around town. Like, I couldn't post that. If you guys want a secret, if you guys want a secret extended part, well, I could show you guys what actually happened this morning and why I couldn't upload that other biking video. Like, I subscribe. Maybe we would talk my parents into it and we actually upload the video. It would just take a lot of editing of reasons. Going to West End Park.
My parents said I'm allowed on YouTube if that's with my permission, and I said yeah.
West End Park, right?
Huh?
West End Park.
Yeah. Yeah, don't face my house.
They don't know daily. Back up from your house so they don't see it. So you don't know what house is house. Oh, that could be Haley's house.
Wait till we get over here. Thank you. Oh yeah, this is totally our house. Totally.
Oh, okay, Haley, you sound like an idiot. Now they'll believe it's your house. And now they'll think it's not your house. Well, we're going to, now, guys, if you guys wanted me to extend that clip from the morning and see why I couldn't upload that video, like and subscribe. I might be able to talk my parents into doing it. To upload that extending clip.
I'm gonna go on the ice. I'm going on the ice. Watch out.
I can actually ride on the ice. Okay, guys, I'm riding on the ice. Easy. Wait, guys. Haley, tell me your YouTube channel. What's your YouTube channel name?
Haley_lover09.
Yeah, go check her out. See some Roblox. And also check my channel out, Venom Point and Gaming, because I make gaming and vlogs. So,
Yeah, my sister kind of sucks.
if you guys want me to secretly, without nobody knowing, extend that clip, what happened, don't tell them. Don't tell them no information. Haley, don't tell them about that clip. It's going to be a secret just in case if I hit millions of subs, I can do an extending clip of it. Yeah. Where I edit her out and show her what happened.
I have a lot of videos. Maybe you guys could go check them out. I even have slime videos.
Shh.
And how I fixed slimes that were broken.
This way.
Yeah, so the slimes that don't stretch, they just rip once you buy them. Yeah, I think they're better.
Zoe, guys, don't.
I hate the break. Hey, Zoe!
Don't. Kaylee, Zoe, don't act like I'm recording or they'll get in trouble and they'll chase me down because I was recording. Yeah, I don't want to go to jail. I don't want to get in trouble, so. Hey, Zoe, we should. Zoe, you're allowed to still post. You're still allowed to post videos, but on my cell phone, Mom said.
I saved a pigeon.
Zoe.
My pet, and then I was releasing the
Zoe. Mom doesn't care if you upload on my cell phone. She said, as long as I'm the one controlling the phone, you're not on TikTok.
I released my pigeon because.
hey, when's your last video, Haley? When's your last video?
My last video was me trying to show how it was a build battle between me and my sister.
Did you
on
did
Bloxburg.
did you hold yourself? Did you have a cell phone? Did you hold it, or did you get on your computer and edit through your computer?
My computer.
And then you so you recorded.
My phone for the outside world. I use my computer to record Roblox things.
So you don't see.
Roblox are for fun on my.
I have a bunch of Robux. Okay, don't talk. There's people around. I'm back up so I don't get on the camera. Fuck. Stupid pedal. Just in case that dog can hop that fence. I haven't been to this park in years. In a year.
Yes, buddy.
My bike's faster. Wait, what are them red balloons for?
We just found a chipmunk. Oh, guess what Dad tried to do?
What?
He rode my bike down this hill and fell and was flopping all over the place.
We're at the park, guys. We're not done with the vlog video.
He fell off the bike and flopped it right over the hill.
Guys, if you guys want a secret extent, wait, you guys, if you guys want a secret extent of that clip from the morning, like and subscribe. I might be able to talk to my parents to give me a clip of it. We're here. I think this would be a best video for me to record down here and ride. Why would don't tell them about that little thing that happened in the morning. That will be a secret, just in case I can extend it.
I go live and there's people that see it and I'm like, oh, well, I'm sorry, I'm live. I don't really care what you think. I'm already live. So people are already watching this. So I can't change anything.
Cool, but don't tell them about not having them this morning. This will be a secret, just in case I can extend the clip. If my mom lets me and I have good see with your parents. No, I don't trust that. I'm doing a video with my bike. So I'm not.
Let's go to merry-go-round. Okay.
Guys, I'm not done riding because my video is basically all about riding.
What? Are you gonna try to go down there crazy?
No. No, Haley, I'm not. No. Okay.
Yeah, I know. Look what I found!
Show me.
Escapers.
Wait, show me. Show my fans.
It was in my big sister's pocket.
What?
In my big sister's pocket.
So you found it on the ground.
Well,
You found it?
I'm lying. I found it on the floor.
Yep, you did.
Well, you can find adventurous things. Who's pushing?
I'm not.
You're pushing. I did. Not it.
Not it. What? Okay, I won't.
I'm sitting. Wait, let me sit. So like.
Whenever you medium, fast. Oh crap!
I was like halfway off. Look at that. Oh, my butt just.
Oh crap!
Hey, I got a long ding.
No one cares. Oh crap! Oh crap!
If you just look at one thing and focus on it.
Who's running?
Not it.
We're not doing that. We have to do a different order. Hell, you're running next.
I'll go.
Okay, run.
But then you had to go.
A, it's ABC order. Girl C, you're H, mom G.
That's me, all right. Ow, an H person. Let me just finders keepers.
I know this guy's basically about a vlog, but it's basically a vlog with a bike, right?
Yeah. What's that, guys? Can someone put this on? Never mind, I got it. Okay, that's a cool watch. That's fine. I don't care. I'm stealing. If they lose it on the ground,
So, okay, Haley, go run.
No, look at it. Look at it. The shadow. Look at the shadow.
No. I'm dabbing, Haley. I'm dabbing. No. I'm not holding on. Hey, I'm not holding on, Zoe.
Good job, Haley. Haley just jumped that. That was fast, too. Can't take the stick.
well, guess what? So it's your turn.
I'm on a Kenny Wise. Did that thing
So
go?
once it completely stops, it's your turn. And it's your turn again.
Think I should end it now, Zoe?
The video?
Yeah.
I don't know. But I'm just scared that's going to fall off.
Yeah, I'm scared you're gonna break your phone.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching. Go subscribe to my channel, Zoe Autumn.
She's not going to be posting anymore. Ow.
Bye.